and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereyda and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 easy Valentine's Day hairstyles that include hearts, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm starting off by picking up a section of hair from both sides of my head, and then I'm going to take the right strand and cross it under the left strand, pull it up and through to tie them together. And now I'm just going to secure that with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to take that top strand and I'm going to split it in half. And then I'm going to twist them in opposite directions of each other. Now I'm going to join the ends together, and then I'll pull at the hair a little bit just to give it a little bit of a better shape and secure them together with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to pick up 2 strands of hair from right underneath the first 2 strands that I picked up, and I'm going to repeat the same steps, tying these strands together and then securing that with a bobby pin. Once again, I'm going to take that top strand and divide it into 2 strands and twist them away from each other and secure them together at the ends. For look number 2, I'm picking up 2 sections of hair from the side of my head and securing them together with an elastic. Now I'm going to pick up a strand from right underneath and I'm going to pull it through the inside of that ponytail and back underneath the loop that I created. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side, pulling that strand underneath the ponytail and then pulling it back down through the loop. Now I'm going to pick up those strands and I'm going to secure them together with an elastic. Now I'm going to start pulling at the strands that I looped through to begin giving the heart its shape. For our final look, I'm going to pick up 2 strands of hair from the sides of my head, and I'm going to go ahead and secure those strands together with an elastic. Now I'm going to create a reverse topsy tail by pulling the hair underneath that ponytail, splitting that hair into 2 equal parts and twisting them away from each other. Now I'm going to secure the ends together using an elastic. Now I'm going to start pulling at the edges of the heart, and you want to pull up and out, and you don't want to pull too much on the bottom section of the heart so that it doesn't lose its shape. Now I'm taking a small strand of hair from underneath that elastic and wrapping it around the elastic to cover it up. This step is completely optional, but I like to do it to give the hairstyle a more finished look. Once I'm done wrapping that strand around, I'm going to add a bobby pin to secure it in place. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to use hashtag NereydaSpeaksHair whenever recreating any of my styles. I love to see them. If you are not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Give me a big thumbs up because that really helps me out, and leave a comment down below letting me know what else you would like to see. Until next time, you guys, bye!